Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Voice of Me. I hope you all are well. In this video we talk about who is Indira Gandhi, what is the reason of her assassination, how she was assassinated. Before starting the new informative video, kindly like, share, subscribe and press the bell icon. Thank you. Indira Gandhi was an Indian politician who served as the third Prime Minister of India from 1996 to 1977 and again from 1980 until her assassination in 1984. She was India's first and to date only female Prime Minister and a central figure in Indian politics as the leader of the Indian National Congress. Gandhi was the daughter of Jawaharlal Nehru, the first Prime Minister of India, and the mother of Rajiv Gandhi, who succeeded her in office as the country's sixth Prime Minister. Furthermore, Gandhi's cumulative tenure of 15 years and 350 days makes her the second longest serving Indian Prime Minister after her father. Henry Kissinger described her as an iron lady, a nickname that became associated with her tough personality since her lifetime. As Prime Minister, Indira Gandhi was known for her political intransigence and unprecedented centralization of power. Operation Blue Star was an Indian armed force operation between 1 and 10 June 1984 to remove Sikh militant Jarnail Singh Bhindranwale and other Sikh militants from the buildings of the Golden Temple, famed site of Sikhism. On 1 June 1984, after negotiation with the militants failed, the Prime Minister of India, Indira Gandhi, ordered the army to launch Operation Blue Star in haste, attacking the Golden Temple and scores of other Sikh temples and sites across Punjab, which included killing civilians and divorce too. Eventually, the Sikh militants ran out of most of their ammunition on 6 June and by 10 June fighting had largely ceased, with the Indian forces in control of the complex. The Indian government attributed high civilian casualties to Sikh militants using pilgrims trapped inside the temple as human shields. However, Indian forces were aware that civilians were present inside and the operation began on a Sikh religious day, the martyrdom day of Guru Arjan Dev. When many worshippers would be present, many civilians were subjected to extrajudicial killings by the military during the operation. 5 months after the operation, on 31 October 1984, Indira Gandhi was assassinated in an act of brutality by two Sikhs, namely Satwant Singh and Beet Singh. At about 9:20 am Indian Standard Time on 31 October 1984, Indira Gandhi was on her way to be interviewed by British actor Peter Ustinov, who was filming a documentary for Irish television. She was accompanied by Constable Narayan Singh, personal security officer Bhuvneshwar Dayal, and Gandhi's personal secretary R.K. Dhawan. She was walking through the garden of the Prime Minister's residence at number 1 Safdarjung Road in New Delhi towards the neighbouring 1 Akbar Road office. Gandhi was not wearing her bulletproof vest that day, which she had been advised to wear at all times after Operation Blue Star. Indira Gandhi passed a wicket gate guarded by Constable Satwant Singh and Sub-Inspector Beet Singh, and the two men opened fire. Beet fired 3 rounds into her abdomen from his .38 revolver. Then Satwant fired 30 rounds from his Sterling submachine gun after she had fallen to the ground. Both men then threw down their weapons and Beet said, "I have done what I had to do, you do what you want to do." In the next 6 minutes, border police officers Tarsem Singh Jamwal and Ram Saran captured and killed Beet, while Satwant was arrested by Gandhi's other bodyguards along with an accomplice. Trying to escape, he was seriously wounded. Satwant Singh was tried, convicted and sentenced to death for killing Indira Gandhi. He was hanged in 1989 along with accomplice Kehar Singh. Beet Singh was one of Indira Gandhi's favorite guards whom she had known for 10 years. Because he was a Sikh, he had been taken off her staff after Operation Blue Star. Gandhi had made sure that he was reinstated. Satwant was 22 years old at the time of the assassination and had been assigned to Gandhi's guard just 5 months previously. Indira Gandhi was taken to the All India Institute of Medical Sciences, New Delhi at 9:30 am. Doctors operated on her. She was declared dead at 2:20 pm. The post-mortem examination was conducted by a team of doctors headed by Tilak Das Bogra, who stated that 30 bullets had struck Gandhi from a static submachine gun and a revolver. The assailants had fired 33 bullets at her, of which 30 had hit, 23 had passed through her body, while 7 remain inside. Dogra extracted bullets to establish the identity of the weapons and to correlate each weapon with the bullets recovered by ballistic examination. The bullets were matched to the weapons at CFSL Delhi. The Indian government invoked a national mourning from November 1 to November 12 with flags half-masted and cancelled entertainment and cultural events and offices closed. For several days, Pakistan and Vietnam declared 3 days of mourning. Bulgaria declared a day of national mourning. Hope you like the video. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe and press the bell icon. Thank you so much.